Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix device limit reached on Amazon Prime. So let's begin. First, go to your Amazon Prime application and on your profile icon over here, click on Account and Settings. Then you will have your account settings interface. You need to make sure you are on devices. Click on that tab. Now, I want you to know that the device limit actually depends on your subscriptions. There's actually various subscriptions to choose from. So if you have Prime Video Mobile Edition, for example, you can only have one mobile device only. Prime Lite, you can have one device only, and then Prime Lite Seer memberships offered via third-party service providers can allow you around one or two devices. Then Amazon Prime allows you to sign in a total of five devices, including two TVs. So you have this error, just simply sign out one device right over here. Okay? That you are not using any longer or the device you choose to sign out from. And that's it. You can now sign in another device and you're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.